You have a wobbly buttstock? Well, let me show you what to do. Hey, how's it going? Hey, so one of the kids from our trap team brought me a gun, a shotgun, and let me know that it's a little jiggly here. Super simple fix. First thing we want to do is obviously check clear. We're good to go. Okay, and then we're gonna take Phillips screwdriver, and then if you look here, there are 2 holes there, 2 Phillips screws that we'll need to remove to take the butt pad off, and they've never been removed, so they're going to be super stiff, tough to get out of there. Okay. All right, it took a little doing, so I didn't want you to have to sit there and watch. But then what we've got inside here is a bolt with a screw head on it, so you can use either one, I imagine, but I have a socket set here. Okay, I grabbed a deep socket. It is a 1/2 inch. Just finger tighten that. And that's it. Super tight now. Now we just screw these screws back in. So I just grabbed a better screwdriver that fits the head a little bit better. Okay, we screwed it in. It's good to go. No more shakiness. Check that it's clear, and we'll put it back in the bag, take it back to the kid at the trap range. So anyway, super simple fix. If you ever have a shaky buttstock on most shotguns are going to be just like that. Most shotguns, super easy. Just to tighten it up. All right, see ya.